Today's Jake's birthday, second birthday, July 20th, 2011.
Wow, this is for Jake.
Wow! That's a birthday! To you! You're 2! That's pretty cool. It's a bunch of Legos, buddy. Wow! How cool is that? Okay, we can open that all later. Do you want to open the next present?
Legos.
Yay!
Want to open this one?
A present.
Whose present? For who? For whose present? Is it Jake's? For his birthday? How old are you? 2. Alright. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, wow. Good job. Good job. Open more.
What is
Good
it?
job.
Turn it over, Daddy, so Jake can see what it is. Flip over
Good
the...
job opening it, Jake. Good job. Whoa.
Wow!
Want to see what this is? Wow. Whoa.
You saying thank you?
Keep going. Keep going. Very good.